guys. All right, so yes, today we are still, yes, module 2. I know, teen numbers, very exciting. Addition. Still topic A, lesson 2. Our fluency today is called Say 10 conversion. So what will happen is I will say a number to you either the regular way or the Say 10 way, and you will tell me what that number is in the other language. Okay, either if I say 10, you say 10 is a bad example. So if I say 11, you say 10-1. But if I said 10-1, you would say 11. All right, so let's go. So 10-1. 11, good. 12. 10-2, good. 10-3. 13, excellent. 14. 10-4, right? 10-5. 15, good. 16. 10-6, yes. 10-7. 17, okay, almost there. We're just doing teen numbers. 10-8. 18, good job. 19. 10-9, good. And 2-10. 20, woo! Good job. Okay, now that we've listened and heard our teens and 20 in that way, let's go ahead to our application problem, which is on page number 9. Page number 9 in your Learn book. You'll notice I still have that pattern of the blue with the blue. Learn modules 2 and 3, page number 9. And it reads, Lisa was reading a book. She read 6 pages the first night, 5 pages the next night, and 4 pages the following night. How many pages did she read? Note, she read for 3 nights, so this has 3 parts, okay? So yes, Lisa was reading a book. She read 6 pages the first night, 5 pages the next night, and 4 pages the following night. How many pages did she read? All right, guys, work on that for 3 minutes, and then we'll continue. Okay, so let's work on this together now. It's the good blue. Let's find out. Oh no, that's very much not the good blue. I put that so I can throw it away. All right, how about this one? Okay, here we go. And it says she was reading a book. She read 6 pages the first night. Well, let's draw to represent the pages she read on the first night. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the first night. Then she read 5 pages the next night. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for the oh no, my blue quit the next night. And then 4 pages the following night. We're gonna call it last so we don't have the same labels. Let's do triangles. 1, 2, you know what? I know I was trying to do that uniform color thing, but this blue is just sad. Okay. So 4 pages the last night. All right. So we made a drawing to show our thinking. Now let's figure out how many pages she read in all. Which 2 nights of reading can I put the page totals together to make a group of 10? The first and the last night. Good job. Let's group the first and last night. Let's write a number sentence that shows that. 6 pages on the first night plus 4 pages on the last night plus 5 pages on the next night is equal to, we don't know yet, but we're going to find out. So far we know that 6 and 4 is 10 plus 5 more pages is equal to, let's find out. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, good job. So that means that Lisa read 15 pages. So complete answer. Lisa read 15 pages. Remember, word problem needs a word answer. Lisa read 15 pages. Good job. All right, so let me model for you what we're doing today before you get working with me. So first I do, then we do, then you do. All right, so today we're not doing it with word problems, but we are still putting 3 parts together. And we do want to see if we can make groups of 10 with 2 of our parts to make it easier work for ourselves, make more organized work for ourselves, okay? All right, so my model reads 7 plus 5 plus 3, okay? Can we draw a picture to show these? We can. 7 plus 5 plus 3. Good. What 2 numbers in this group make 10? What 2 numbers can I put together in this group to make 10? Good job. Yes. 7 and 3 make 10. So 7, 3 make 10. Good job. All right. So now we can start thinking about a number sentence to put the pieces together. Ooh. Okay. All right. Okay, so there's our picture, and there's our number sentence, and here is the visual of our number bond. So let's 10 plus what's left? 5. 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. Okay, let's count. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 10 and 5 more. So 10, 5, or 15, like we said earlier. Good. All right, so now let's do some together. Like I said, we're not doing word problems today, but we are going to practice with this same model. It's on page 173. This is the We Do from your homework book. See, told you. Number 1 on page 173. Matches exactly what I have up here. All right, so this reads 6 plus 2 plus 4 is equal to blank. Tell me, why did they circle the 6 and the 4? Because 6 and 4 come together to make a group of 10. Excellent. So they're telling us, they're showing it to us. They've already started this one for us. So 6 plus what? 4 plus the other 2. That 2 is still there. Okay. So from this information, knowing that 6 and 4 make 10, we can complete the next part of the number sentence. So 10 plus 2, or 10, 11, 12 is equal to 12. So 6 plus 2 plus 4 is equal to 12. So like I said, we're just putting all the pieces together to make a team number as our whole. And to make that the most efficient way possible, we add to make 10 first. Okay, we're going on to question number 2. Same sheet of paper. Same sheet of paper. All right. Question number 2 reads, 5 plus 3 plus 5 is equal to blank. Which 2 parts do I need to put together first? 5 and 5. Good job. 5 and 5. Let's write a number sentence to reflect that we rearranged these. We said that 5 plus 5 plus 3, because that 3 is still there, is our new number sentence. And the reason we put these together is because 5 and 5 make 10, which leads us to our more simple 2-part number sentence that's more reflective of what we're used to. 10 plus 3 is equal to, well, let's draw. You want to draw to count on? All right, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13. 10 plus 3 is 13, which also means that 5 plus 3 plus 5 is 13. Good job. All right, let's do one more model together. Same page. Same page. Oh, too we are working together on that same page, okay? And it's question number 3, and it reads 5 plus 2 plus 8. 5 plus 2 plus 8. Which parts should I put together to make a group of 10? Well, let's see. 5 and 2. That's not on my fingers.
Stephanie, have your attention, please. Gentlemen are here doing an inspection of our mechanical systems for the fire alarm. They will need to set off the fire alarm here in about 10 minutes. You do not need to evacuate, and please don't be alarmed. Again, the fire alarm will be going off in about 10 minutes, most likely. You do not need to evacuate. It is part of the test. Thank you.
Because why not? Because why not? Okay. So which parts are we going to put together to make a group of 10? 5 and 2? Let's check. 5 and 2? That's not on my fingers. 5 and 8? That's too many fingers. 8 and 2. That's on my fingers. That makes a group of 10. All right, so let's circle those parts. Let's circle the part 2 and 8. All right, notice where they place the number bond on this framed number sentence. Do I need to rearrange what's already here? I do not. 5 can still be my first part, plus 2 plus 8. We know 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. Notice how the next part is written. We're keeping it in the same order. They put the 10 as the second part, which is fine. 5 plus 10 is equal to, well, we can still say, put the big part in our brain, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Our whole is what? 15. 5 plus 10 is equal to 15. 5 plus 2 plus 8 is equal to 15. All right. So yes, and if you want to draw it, fine. You want me to draw a picture? I'll draw a picture. Let's do a picture model. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 and 8, group of 10, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. My picture confirms I did a good job. Better yet, we did a good job. All right, so that being said, let's look to see our instructions. It is that you complete the problem set front and back, starting on page number 11 in your Learn book. Learn being the flower beds, module 2, which is module 2 and 3 on the front. So yep, it's doing the same thing. We do want, and they do want that you're drawing the pictures. They left you space for that in your book. And then when you get finished with that, you will proceed to the next slide, which of course it doesn't want to pop up now, is your exit ticket. Your exit ticket is here in the Nearpod. It's on the next slide. If you don't click submit after you've done the work, I don't see the work, you don't get credit for the work, then you gotta go back and do it again, and we don't want any of that. But of course, if you have any questions, let me know. And don't forget, we do live with math in the afternoons. So math or reading, but I think we're gonna focus on math this day. So that'll be a good opportunity for us to practice that in real time. So I hope to see you at live at 2:30 for some math. All right, bye.